Hello and welcome to the continuation of this video. Okay, so this is where we are. We want to paste our story now to make it a voiceover. Okay, we can change the voice of the person, that the narrator. Okay, this thing is currently on Rachel. So I want the voice of a, it's either if you want the voice of a lady, let's click on Rachel and see other kind of voice that are there. See, Alice is there, can play it and see. That's okay, that's Alice. Okay, Bill is there. Is Brian. I love this Brian voice, so let me select Brian voice. It's the voice of a man. To select Brian voice. So see now, just click on the voice, it will select. So it has already selected. Okay, so you see now that this stuff has already selected to Brian, and this thing now is in form of credit. You can see 10,000 credits remaining, so I can only use it for 5,000 words. Once I reach 5,000 words, that means this credit will be over. They will log me out and they will start saying I should pay. Okay, then you can explore these settings. That is how you want to control the narrator. These are the settings. You can just say okay, the speed or the narrator should be faster, the stability, the similarity, the style, exaggeration, and the likes. Okay, then let's start with so let me copy part of my story here as an example, because I don't want to waste my credit here. Okay, so once you finish your credit, let me give you a link. That means we have multiple email accounts, so you create another account with another email. At least if you have 5 email, that's 50,000 credits. So with that you would have generated a lot of things there. Or I will also give you another site that we can use. I'll give you up to 3. So let me say this one is looking like this now. So this is part of my story, and as you are copying the story, make sure that you know where you stop, so that whenever you want to continue, there will be no mix-up there. So instead of me to copy, I will just cut. Click on cut instead of copy. I will click on cut, so that it will delete that part entirely. Delete that part entirely, so that I will know where to continue. Okay, so I will cut it. Let me take my browser to. So Ctrl X, I want to cut it. So I've already cut it now. So since I've done that, that means I will just write continue. Simply means whenever I want to copy the remaining, I will continue from this thing and allow friendship liaisons. Okay, so that I won't make any mistake. So I just copied that a little bit, because here the maximum is 5,000 words. Okay, so you can copy at least 1,000 words at once. It's okay, so that the voiceover will not be too many for you and it will scatter your brain. So let me paste it here now. Let me paste it here. So this is our text. Okay, what you have to do is very simple. Just click on generate speech. It generate the speech for you. Now before you click on generate speech, there's something interesting about this 11th lab. You can see Bola, the daughter of it. You can add emotion. as the narrator is narrating, you can add an emotion to it so that this narrator will understand what is happening. He said, Bola, daughter of a struggling tailor, meet Tunde, the son of a wealthy politician, okay, for the first time at a school event, okay, for the first time at a school event here. I'm talking of this place, school event. So Bola shy, where this place is a Bola shy and reserved, is taken aback by Tunde's confidence and charm, while Tunde is intrigued by Bola's simplicity and grace. Okay.